Hi, this is Lydia from Linbay Machinery. Glad to see you in Linbay Machinery's YouTube channel. Today I would like to produce this Downspout pipe roll forming machine. Here I have the Downspout pipe curved type and the straight type. All this is made by this single machine. In this part we have the cutting device. So when you need to produce the straight one, you can set up at our touch screen the lens, and you'll come out the straight tube like this one. And this part, you can see there are lots of hydraulic tubes here, so that the hydraulic station will give this part, this mold, the power press, the power, so it can make this elbow like this one in my hand. It is also automatic on the roll forming. You set up at the touch screen the degree you want to do, and here will press automatically and make the shape you want. And at the last part, you can see here we have another mold. This part is to shrink the head to connect with another tube. You put the tube into the mold, and at the touch screen there is a button, so the mold will shrink the head. So this head can be smaller. That's all for this machine. Linbay Machinery also have round the Downspout pipe roll forming machines. If you are interested in any roll forming machine, we are professional and we offer you the best guarantee and maintenance service. See you next time. Bye bye.